Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your country on the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the more icon down below, which is the last option. Now scroll down till you find the settings section and tap on the country button. Here, if you scroll down, you can change your country by scrolling down till you find the one that you would like to change it for. So you just need to tap on the relevant one, and then your country has been changed on the Lidl application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.